Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best face masks for sensitive skin that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Peter Thomas Roth Cucumber Hydrator. Peter Thomas Roth Face Mask is endowed with the richest formula, including cucumber, pineapple, orange, lemon, sugarcane, papaya, chamomile, sugar maple, bilberry, and aloe vera extracts. Every single ingredient here contributes towards making the gel effective at soothing, hydrating, and detoxifying dry and irritated skin. The key ingredients, though, are cucumber, papaya, and chamomile extracts. The first ingredient on this list nourishes, hydrates, comforts, soothes, calms, and depuffs the skin's appearance. Meanwhile, the papaya extract uses natural enzymes to soften the skin. Last, there's the chamomile extract that also comforts and soothes all skin types, not excluding sensitive. You can apply the gel 2 to 3 times per week without rhyme, without reason. After peeling, waxing, facials, extractions, and serious sun exposure though, the product should be applied the same day. Add a generous coat onto clean skin and massage the gel into the skin, wait approximately 10 minutes, then rinse. Provided you do not mind the strong scent, Peter Thomas Roth Face Mask will make sure your face is feeling beyond soft and supple every single day you apply the gel. The product will prove excellent at minimizing redness and irritations. Moving on, at number 4, we have the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Instant Oatmeal Mask. First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Instant Oatmeal Mask will cost you some. The 2-ounce bottle is selling for approximately $24 at the moment, meaning that you're paying $12 per 1 ounce of product. Still, we are not saying that the mask will not earn its keep. Quite the opposite, the colloidal oatmeal component will be calming and soothing distressed and dry skin. In the meantime, the bisabolol compound will also be soothing and calming the skin. The sea buckthorn extract, packing numerous antioxidants, will be conditioning the skin, while shea butter, an emollient that is loaded with vitamins, minerals, and essential fatty acids, will be moisturizing and protecting the skin barrier. We're not even mentioning the licorice root, feverfew, and white tea extracts, shielding the skin from environmental aggressors. Though we will mention that the product has been formulated without using artificial colorants, artificial fragrance, parabens, phthalates, mineral oils, and sulfates. Bottom line, First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Instant Oatmeal Mask will be calming, rejuvenating, and nourishing tired and distressed skin. Using this product, the roughest, tightest complexion will start transforming and displaying the softest, most supple results. At number 3, we have the Andalou Naturals Roses Rosewater. Andalou Naturals 1000 Roses is soft and gentle. Formulated with alpine rose stem cells, this product nourishes and revives tired skin. Then, it is the hyaluronic acid's turn, balancing the skin hydration levels. Once the acid is done doing its job, rosehip fruit oils take center stage, rejuvenating the skin's complexion and bringing back its radiant glow. Pomegranate seed oil contributes too though, brimming with tannins and polyphenols to improve the skin tone and make its texture smooth and firm. Not without cranberry fruit juice, the product will also be softening the skin and keeping its complexion supple. Most skincare products are only complete when you add aloe vera extracts / leaf juices, and this one is no exception, using the aloe barbadensis extract to uplift the skin's moisture barrier. This rich, abundant formula that sells this product also makes the mask difficult to remove sometimes, but this is easily the price that most customers should be willing to pay. Plus, the GMO-free, paraben-free, sulfate-free, gluten-free, and cruelty-free will not cause redness, itchiness, and irritations, and will not present any moral dilemmas before potential customers, so when you also take the affordable price into account, this is not the face mask you'd want to miss. At number 2, we have the Cetaphil Purifying Clay Mask. Cetaphil Pro Derma Control Purifying Clay Mask is gentle yet effective, which is precisely what sensitive skin needs. Mild ingredients that will be cleansing the skin without stripping it, and without leaving the skin feeling tight and dry. The product is also compatible with oily and combination skin types though. This cream has been formulated with 2 gentle clay types, bentonite and Amazonian kaolin. While bentonite clay will be absorbing oil and minimizing pores appearance, the Amazonian kaolin clay will be exfoliating the skin, lifting away dead skin cells and improving the skin's tone and texture. Aside from these 2 clays, the formula is also adopting apple fruit extracts that hydrate the skin and cucumber seed extracts that brighten the skin tone. The product's also not without cetyl and stearyl alcohol, harmless compared to most fatty alcohols, yet potent enough to dry the skin when you use the cream more than once every 2 days, so we'd recommend not doing that. What we do recommend doing is massaging the mask into the skin, allowing the cream to sit for 5 to 10 minutes and rinse it away. As long as you stick to this nice little ritual, your skin will start looking clean and feeling refreshed before you know it. And finally, at number 1, we have the Aveeno Ageless Face Mask. Even those who are blessed with the best genetics are not immune to time and its effects on the skin. Aveeno Ageless Face Mask can minimize these effects though, and even reverse them sometimes. To begin with, the lotion excels at reducing fine lines and wrinkles, producing visible results within 2 weeks tops. Formulated with blackberry and green tea extracts, this product will also be nourishing the skin, smoothing out its texture, and making the skin elastic and firm. Besides its active components, this lotion is also armed with a broad-spectrum SPF 30 sunscreen effect, so all you have to do is apply the product generously and evenly approximately 15 minutes before going out. The mask will dry out without any assistance, meaning that no rinse-off is needed. It will be able to protect you from sun exposure, making sure that those harmful UVA and UVB rays are not accelerating the aging signs. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.